In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping on eBay. First, head to the eBay homepage and click Sell at the top. That takes you into your selling workspace where you manage listings. From there, open the draft listing you've already created. This brings up the full listing editor so you can adjust shipping settings before the item goes live. Scroll to the shipping section and look for the international shipping option. Click it to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, eBay will reveal additional choices so you can decide how you want to ship to buyers outside your country. Next, select View All Shipping Services. This expands the list of available international methods supported in your area, along with typical delivery windows. Seeing everything in one place makes it much easier to match the right service with your item's size, value, and how quickly buyers might want it. Now choose the level of service that fits your listing. Economy, international shipping is usually the most budget-friendly with longer delivery estimates and fewer extras. Standard international shipping strikes a balance between cost and speed, and it often includes broader tracking. Expedited international shipping is the fastest option and typically offers the most robust tracking and delivery confirmation, which can be helpful for higher value items or time-sensitive orders. Pick the service type that aligns with your item and buyer expectations. Once your service is selected, click Edit Shipping Cost. This opens the pricing input so you can set what the buyer will pay at checkout. Type the shipping cost you want to charge. Make sure it reflects likely carrier rates for your package size, weight, and common destinations you're willing to serve. If you ship lightweight items, a lower flat rate can make your listing more attractive. Heavier or oversized items may require a higher charge to avoid losing money. Keep in mind that some regions can have surcharges, so choosing a service with clear rate tables can help you price confidently. When your cost looks right, click Save. You should now see your chosen international service and the price applied to the listing. That's the entire setup. You've enabled international shipping, reviewed the available methods, selected the speed you want to offer, set the charge, squelch, and saved your changes. A quick note on expectations. Buyers are typically responsible for customs duties, taxes, and any import fees in their country. Clear delivery estimates within your listing details can reduce confusion and help buyers choose the option that suits them best. With that, your listing is ready to reach an international audience.